Personal pronouns. 1. She is going to the store. 2. He loves to play basketball. 3. They are coming to the party. 4. We enjoyed the movie last night. 5. You should try the new restaurant. 6. I can't wait to see you again. 7. It looks beautiful outside today. 8. We believe in your abilities. 9. She said she would call later. 10. He likes reading fantasy novels. Reflexive pronouns. 1. The cat groomed itself. 2. I hurt myself while gardening. 3. You should be proud of yourself. 4. He blames himself for the mistake. 5. She taught herself to play the piano. 6. We pushed ourselves to finish the race. 7. The team motivated themselves before the game. Demonstrative pronouns. 1. This is my new phone. 2. This is my favorite song. 3. That is an interesting idea. 4. Those are beautiful flowers. 5. Look at those stars in the sky. 6. Look at that beautiful painting. 7. This is the best movie I've seen. 8. These are the books I mentioned. 9. These are the shoes I want to buy. 10. Those are the cookies she baked. Interrogative pronouns. 1. Whose book is this? 2. What do you want to eat? 3. Which way should we go? 4. What are you doing later? 5. Which color do you prefer? 6. Who is coming to the party? 7. Whose phone rang just now? 8. Who will be the next president? 9. Whom did she invite to the event? 10. What is the meaning of this word? Indefinite pronouns. 1. Nothing can stop us now. 2. Anyone can join the club. 3. Both are equally talented. 4. Someone called you earlier. 5. Everyone enjoyed the show. 6. Nobody likes being criticized. 7. Many attended the conference. 8. Everything is going as planned. 9. Somebody left their umbrella here. 10. Several were present at the meeting. Exclamatory pronouns. 1. What a beautiful sunset. 2. How delicious the food tastes. 3. How talented they are. Intensive pronouns. 1. I myself witnessed the accident. 2. He himself repaired the car. 3. We ourselves completed the project.